Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your mirror off of your Nissan Z. Alright, so now that we have the door open, I'm going to teach you how to remove the door panel. You're going to have a lower piece right here, lower piece of plastic. You just pop it free with a pick. And it looks like there's two 10 millimeter bolts. And you're going to see, it's kind of hard to tell. You probably won't be able to see in video. But there's a little opening right here. It looks like it's meant to have a clip go in there so you don't completely destroy the door panel. So push it in, then this pulls out, and then you're going to have another 10 mil behind that. And once you have those three 10 mils out, we're going to go from the bottom now. And I like to slide my clip remover in between the door and the door panel. Not super far, but just enough to kind of get it to where your fingers can get in there. And then just go around the border of the door panel, pop that free. Once you feel it free completely up, we're just gonna lift this straight off of here. All right, so once you have your door panel off, you have access to the blind spot panel right here, the indicator. You are gonna have it a plug to unplug. Comes off really simple. You can see there's two locating tabs right there. They're very small. Obviously pull outward this way. This is kind of tucked in the weather strip there. So once you have that freed up, just kind of pull down a little. All right, now that we have the blind spot indicator taken off and the door panel, we can access our mirror. So we're gonna have one plug. I just do it first. And then you're gonna have three 10 millimeter nuts to take off. I always take the first two off and kind of set them to the side. And I'm not gonna pull hard on this harness right here. I'm just gonna give it a little pressure so that the mirror doesn't fall out. Get that nut out of there. Once you have those three nuts off and your plug undone, you're just gonna pull straight out, free those studs up, get it out of the weather strip. There you go. That is how you remove your mirror on your Nissan Z.